Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. I'm Jill, and today I'm so excited to officially announce the upcoming release of our new cookbook with Hatherley Press, Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy. It has always been a dream of ours to publish a cookbook to share the recipes from this show that have come to be loved by millions of viewers from all over the world. We are absolutely thrilled the release date is finally here, and pre-ordering is now available on Amazon with the link in the description. My husband Jeffrey and I have been working hard on this project for more than a year now with the publisher, and we're more directly involved than usual, helping to design many of the interior pages as well as getting to design the cover ourselves. The book offers over 100 of our favorite whole food plant-based recipes that are gluten-free, refined oil and sugar-free, low in sodium, and absolutely delicious. I'm an avid cookbook collector myself, and the upcoming release of this cookbook will mark a new milestone in our mission to teach the world to easily and permanently make the switch to a whole food plant-based diet. If you have only just heard about a plant-based diet from a friend, a family member, or maybe even your doctor, and are looking to quickly learn to make plant-based meals that are still familiar and easy to prepare, we have you covered. If you've been plant-based for a while now and are just looking for some new inspiration to continue your own plant-based journey, we have loads of recipes for you too. We created many of these recipes to replace our own favorite foods that we left behind when making the switch to a plant-based lifestyle. With plant-based versions of familiar comfort foods like carrot hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, pizza, waffles, brownies, and double stuffed Oreo cake, to international favorites like massaman curry, West African peanut sauce, mushroom bourguignon, tikka masala, hummingbird cake, and more. Each recipe is based on the best available plant-based nutritional research and takes the guesswork out of trying to prepare healthy, balanced meals. With clear instructions and real photos of the food that show the recipes as we make them at home, so you know what to expect for each dish. We also walk through in detail all of the appliances and preparations needed to set up your own kitchen and pantry for plant-based success. And we share the story of our 23-year journey to our own plant-based transformation. In the book, you will also learn how to make tasty gluten-free breads, muffins, cakes, pies, and cookies, as well as plant-based cheeses, ice creams, and salad dressings. And if you should happen to get stuck, each recipe has a corresponding step-by-step video, easily accessible with a QR code scanner on your mobile device. With plant-based cooking made easy as your ultimate guide, it has never been easier to make the life-changing switch to a plant-based diet. We hope this cookbook will become the go-to reference in your kitchen for cooking your way to a health-promoting plant-based lifestyle. I invite you to follow the link in the description to pre-order your copy today.